Finding the perfect person for a job can be a long and costly process, but it's worth it. By being thoughtful and following good hiring practices, you can prevent problems and save time and money in the long run. Let us share the most common mistakes that you need to avoid in order to improve your entire recruitment and hiring process. Checking a candidate's references can provide valuable information and evidence about their skills and experiences. Speaking with someone who knows the candidate professionally can help you understand how well they can do the job and fit into the work culture. To ensure you have reliable information, ask candidates to provide references and take the time to contact them. You can call each professional reference to confirm the candidate's educational background and ensure their resume is truthful and accurate. Make sure to ask both the strengths and weaknesses of the candidates as recalled by their professional reference. Conducting pre-interviews can make your hiring process more efficient. By having shorter phone interviews before scheduling longer meetings, you can weed out unsuitable candidates. These preliminary phone calls help clarify resume details and assess if candidates meet the requirements. When you come across a promising resume, you can contact the candidate to schedule a pre-interview. This pre-interview can be a brief phone call where you ask about specific aspects of their resume and address any concerns. For instance, if a candidate mentions conflict resolution skills, you can ask for more information on how they apply the skill. Additionally, the pre-interview allows you to gauge the candidate's continued interest in the position. A good job description focuses on explaining the job itself, rather than describing an ideal person. It's important to use clear language in the job advertisement so that candidates have a clear understanding of the responsibilities involved. Including the company's values in the description can also help potential candidates determine if they are a good fit for the role. When writing the job description, use keywords that are relevant to the position and industry. If specific tools, software experience, or certifications are required, make sure to mention them in the description. These keywords will help the right candidates find the job posting amidst multiple listings when they are searching for relevant opportunities.
Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now.
Using technology tools can enhance the hiring process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. One of the ways to incorporate technology into hiring is through social media. Post job openings on your company's social media pages and professional networking sites to attract candidates. Recruiting software. Streamline hiring with software that can review resumes and schedule interviews, handling a larger hiring process. Online classifieds. Advertise job listings on virtual classified platforms instead of traditional print ads. Mobile applications. Ensure your job listings are available on job search apps to reach mobile users. To find a diverse pool of candidates, try expanding your search. Share job openings through different methods and platforms to attract more applicants. This broader search can bring in fresh perspectives and attract candidates with skills that can benefit the company. Start by advertising the job internally, allowing current employees to apply for transfers or promotions. Then, let your team members refer potential candidates for the position. You can also promote the job externally by using various platforms such as your company website, social media accounts, professional networks, online forums, industry associations, university or alumni networks, newspapers, and radio. By following the company's hiring rules, you can find the right candidate from the start and avoid going through the hiring process again. Even though it may take longer initially, it will save time and money in the long run because you'll hire someone who fits the job description well. Expand your search, consider more candidates, and conduct additional interviews until you're confident about your choice for the position. The goal of an interview is to see if the candidate is a good match for the job. You can make your interviews more effective by dividing them into two parts. First, ask questions about the candidate's qualifications and fit for the position. Then, provide more information about the role. This way, if you determine early on that the candidate isn't a good fit, you can end the interview and save time. To make sure you listen more than you talk, ask open-ended questions that encourage the candidate to give detailed answers. Check out this video to learn more interview tips and tricks to hire the best candidate for your company. Be careful not to make these hiring mistakes and make sure to have a strong hiring process in place. Remember, investing in the right people will not only drive your organization's success, but also create a positive and productive work environment. Thank you, and may you have lots of success finding amazing talent in your future hiring endeavors. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And thank you so much. See you again on the next one.